How to turn off double tick in WhatsApp on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and now tap on the U option or the settings option on the bottom right of your screen. Here you will see the option for privacy, tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for read receipt. So go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for read receipts and now double click on the message delivered will now be disabled. So this is how you can turn off double tick in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.